Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Srinivas Nature Clicks. In this video you will be watching rare glimpses of Nalsarovar Wetland, beautiful sceneries of Nalsarovar. You will be watching the tallest birds in the world, one of the heaviest birds in the world, rare fox puppies with the mother fox, strange reptiles. Watch till the end, you will enjoy it. This is the serene pair. It is the tallest flying bird in the world. Nalsarovar is the best place to see this beautiful bird. Trumpet-like calls, elegance in the movement. It's a non-migratory bird. Throughout the year, it will stay in Nalsarovar. Its numbers are rapidly dwindling. It's a critically endangered bird. This is a Dalmatian pelican wading in waters of Nalsarovar. Heavy bird, weighing around 15 to 20 kilos. Migrant from Siberia, seen in Nalsarovar only during winters. It is a sight to watch. Two pelicans gliding in water with villages in background. The beautiful bar-headed geese, last pair, soon to be migrated to Europe as it is end of February. Collared petrinicols, the shorebirds with the collar around the neck. It allowed me to shoot for a long time. Northern pintails.
इसमें मेल फीमेल कैसे पता करता है?
Spending some time in the water, we came across a fox den, fox puppy waiting for the mother. As soon as it noticed us, it went inside. Mother fox has come, gave milk to the fox puppies. These are all scenes from Nalsarovar. Colony of seagulls roosting in the Nalsarovar. This is rare, unique spiny-tailed lizard, which is seen only in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Note its spiny tail. This is rare Namakwa dove pair, which is a visitor from sub-Saharan Africa. Seen nowhere else. This is a rare barred button quail. These are some of the glimpses from Nalsarovar, beautiful sceneries of Nalsarovar. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.